Right, let's talk about function prototypes now. Your homework says all function prototypes should be listed near the top of the file before writing the function definitions. And so I want you to get used to creating the function prototypes, because soon we'll actually be taking these functions and putting them in a separate file, and your function prototypes will be going into another separate file known as a header file. So a function prototype is simply then the function header followed by a semicolon. So I'm going to say function prototypes, and it's declaring the existence of the function to the compiler. So if I just copy this function header here, right, which may seem redundant in this program, but remember, it allows you to put your functions in any order in this file, right? So if I were to go ahead and put this function below main, and so main's my first one, then even though main or some other function references it before it's defined, I won't get that implicit function declaration, right? Same way here. So every time you make a function prototype, you put it here, right? If you make any changes to your function prototype or your function, you need to update the prototype to have to match. All right, follow it with a semicolon. All right, so now I've taken care of those two. Maybe I'll move those down. All right, put them below main. All right. Like here, all right. I need to copy the whole header. Like I said, it allows me then to put these anywhere in the file. All right, get low value. Get high value. You don't have to do one for main. You can, but you don't need to. All right. And here are my function definitions. So function definitions, all right, we think of the prototypes as declarations, and the definitions of when we actually write the body of the code here, right? Are in this section, right? My preprocessor directives, or my macros are here. All right. So that's what we mean by function prototypes. So if I compile this now, right, it compiles. I get this warning because I've broken up some comments like this in here. It's not very happy about me doing that. As a matter of fact, if I want to make it happier, I want that to go away. It may or may not let me based on that. That one's not important because you're going to end up then error it. Yeah, that's why I did that before, so I could comment out that. All right. And I've now just wasted time doing that. All right, no warnings. All right. So that's all the point was here, is to show you where you put your function prototypes. There's first time we've done that in a homework problem. All right, so now you have an idea of where to put these. All right, as the lecture material references, your prototype is nothing other than the function header. Remember, the function header consists of a data return type, function name, parameter list, and the prototype is that header followed by a semicolon. Notice when you define these, we don't put a semicolon, right? We put the curly brackets, and we write the code that's associated with the function inside the curly brackets. All right.